Hello Shamanettes and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So if you don't know me, I'm Suzanne. I'm a pro-aging esthetician and celebrity makeup artist in television, and I've been in the beauty industry for way longer than I care to admit. It's something like 25 years at this point, but who's counting? Cold weather equals dry skin for many of us. The big question is, how can you have glowing, hydrated skin this time of year and for the holidays? So today we're talking about the best products for glowing skin. And my wonderful model is Tracy Jo. So together we're focusing on techniques and products that help your skin look dewy, fresh, and alive, not dry or cakey. Who wants that? Let's go. First things first, skin prep. Cold air can deplete our skin's natural oil, so hydration is the key. Before makeup, use moisturizing products with active ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, or an oil-soluble vitamin C, my favorite. If these ingredients still aren't enough, then I recommend taking about 2 to 4 tablespoons of omega-369 oils and a vitamin C and E every single day. These type of supplements have an enormous impact on your physical health. Remember, internal health is 80% of skincare, while topical products are only 20%. When it comes to foundation in cold weather, avoid heavy mattes and powder foundations. They can emphasize dryness and sit too heavy on the skin. A lightweight, creamy formula or a tinted moisturizer is your best friend. So today I'm using a CC cream and then adding a little bronzing serum to add not only hydration, but a soft luminescence. You can also apply the luminescent product before foundation. It's entirely up to you. It's an easy trick that adds a soft glow to your skin all day long. Apply with a brush or your fingers for a skin-like finish. The warmth of your hands actually helps to blend the products seamlessly into mature skin and is actually my preferred method. So after that, I apply a little concealer only where she needs it, and I tap it lightly with my fingers to get it into the skin. After foundation, I fill in her brows with Silver Queen, my favorite eyebrow pencil and brow gel for anyone with silver hair. It opens up her eye and shapes her face beautifully. To bring back life to the face, cream blush is a must. So powders can look flat in dry weather, but cream formulas melt beautifully into the skin and give it a soft glow. For eyes, stick with cream eyeshadows as they won't flake or emphasize texture on the lids. On Tracy Jo, I'm using a neutral brown all over her lid called TOFFEE. I put it around her lash line and under her eyes. This provides an instant warmth and a depth. Then I'm using a warm brown eyeliner pencil in her waterline, both above and below, and a mulberry liner next to her lashes on the top eyeline. After blending it to soften the liner, I head for a darker brown cream eyeshadow in the outer crease to give her hooded eyes a nice lift. Lastly, I toss on a vanilla shade to her inner lid for contrast. After that, I finish with my favorite black mascara from Prime Prometics to add punch to the whole effect. For fun, I also applied some false lashes on the outer corner of her eye as well. It just gives a more festive feel. Keeping your lips dewy with a lip gloss or a lip oil instead of a matte lipstick makes a huge difference. On Tracy Jo, I'm using a reddish brown cream lipstick with a matching liner to go with her beautiful scarf. I toss on a Nude Glow lip gloss at the end for a little more shine. All the colors I've used on her face are warm, so it's important she doesn't look washed out. Adding a little more blush or lip color can help to bring it all together. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends who also love beauty as much as we do. And thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.